Thank you for joining me. I'm very excited, but quite nervous as well. This is my first live video. I decided to do this. As many of you know, I've recently been to Fast EFT seminar, 7-day seminar in Brisbane, which was really amazing. And part of that was setting goals, and one of mine is to just get out there more and let people know about what I do, how I can help. So for anyone who this is your first time joining me, my name's Lalita and I'm a stress release practitioner. I use a Fast EFT protocol which allows me to facilitate for someone who wants to make changes in their life and who doesn't want to make changes. I help people to make changes in behaviours, in habits, where people are stuck. And I've chosen to work with stress because stress is the leading cause of pretty much all illnesses that we go and see a doctor for. So what I'd like to share with you today is my 3 top tips for setting intentions for a stress-free day. I'm going to be glancing at my notes every now and then to help me stay on track. And first of all, what I want to do is, I've just noticed that I've reached 600 members. So I just want to give everybody a huge thank you so much for joining me, and I hope that I can help you along the way. I don't know what else is going to come up in this 7-day challenge, so bear with me. And what I'd like you to do, if you've found this helpful, to please share it with your friends, comment and like. I'm happy to answer any questions as we go, so feel free to ask any questions. I'll do my best to try and answer them. If I can't, then I'll get back to you later. So the first tip that I'd like to give you is, if you want to have a stress-free day, where I like to start, and I've been doing this myself for quite a while, and I know that several people that I have shared this with have also found it helpful. And if you're here tonight, please let others know how this has helped you. So the first thing that I do is I look back on the day, what happened throughout my day. So at the end, this is at the end of the evening, so this starts before you go to bed at night. So I tend to look back on the day, how my day went, and was there anything that I wasn't happy about. Was I upset about it? Was I worried about it? Did I have conversations that I wasn't happy with? Did I feel, pressure? Just anything that may have happened throughout my day that I don't want to take into my sleep with me. Because I know while I'm sleeping, my subconscious mind is going to try and file away all that information that I've been exposed to throughout the day, and I want to deal with all of that before I go to sleep at night. And if I can do that, then I know that I'm going to have a better day the next day. You don't want to take it into your sleep with you, because then the next day it's still going to be there. Okay, so if you know about this protocol, the faster EFT protocol that I use, it uses a tapping technique. So what I do is I just close my eyes and I look back over my day. I just reflect. And as you do that, as you close your eyes, you'll notice that you might get images in your mind. You might see pictures. You might get a feeling. You'll go back over something, a conversation that you had with someone that maybe didn't, wasn't so pleasant. And you might have a feeling, somewhere in your body. So what I do is I just visualize all those things that happen throughout the day, and then I use this very simple tapping technique, and I'll go through it with you now. So all you have to do is tap here on the eyebrow point, the side of the eye, under the eye, on the collarbone, and then you hold your wrist here and you just take a deep breath in, blow it out, and you say peace. So what you do again is, this is tip 1, you're going to be what I like to call dumping the day's stresses. Okay, so you're going to close your eyes, you're going to focus on those, you're going to get pictures, you're going to get emotions, you're going to get feelings, you might even get smells and sensations in your body. And all I want you to do is just notice those, and then as you're tapping, all you need to say is let it go. Just let it go. Let it go, let it go, let it go. Take a deep breath in, blow it out, and say peace. And you keep doing that until you notice that the stresses of the day have just reduced. And you have a nice feeling inside of you, hopefully. Okay, so keep tapping and tapping until you've released all the emotions and the stresses and strains and pressures of the day, because you don't want to take those to bed with you. Okay, and the other thing I do also, just before I go to sleep, I'll give 5 gratitudes. I'll say to myself 5 things that I'm grateful for the day that's happened through the day. So it might be, I'm grateful for the friendships that I had, grateful for that great parking spot I got, grateful for the beautiful lunch that I had, just anything that you can think of. So 5 things that you're grateful for the day. And then because I've been meditating for about 30 years, I just drift off to sleep using one of my meditation techniques. And that's a really good start for the next day when you're going to wake up. So now we're at tip 2. So the next morning when you wake up, hopefully you've had a really good sleep because you've just dumped all that stuff that you had experienced through the day. And then you're going to wake up. As soon as you wake up, you have Dr. Bruce Lipton, who's a great mentor of mine. He says you have 7 seconds in the morning to just start the day on a really good note. Okay, so you're going to set your intention for the day. To set your intention for the day, think about how you want the day to go. So for example, if you have an appointment booked, how do you want that to go? And visualize how you want it to go. Whatever you're going to do, whether it's your job that you're going to, or you're meeting up with somebody and you want that to go really well. It might be getting the children ready to go to school. Whatever it is, I want you to just visualize it, focus on it, and then notice inside of you if you have any resistance. Sometimes a little voice will come into your head and you'll notice some resistance there. You might hear a little voice going, Oh, you can't do that. That's not going to go that well. You won't. It's just not going to go well. And you start noticing that chatter in your head. When you notice that, again, I want you to just focus on it, and again, just use the tapping technique. So you're going to tap here, or you can just massage that point, and you're just going to say, let it go. And then this side of your eye, let it go. That resistance, just let it go. Under the eye, let it go. On the collarbone, just let it go. Then hold your wrist, take a deep breath in, blow it out, and say peace. And just go to a peaceful place that's either imagined or real, and just feel that peace inside your body just for a few moments. So then go back and check that. So you're visualizing how you want your day to go. Check for the resistance. If it's still there, tap again, and keep tapping until it feels better. And then I want you to focus on setting your intention. Set your intention, how you want to feel. That's what you want to focus on, just how you want to feel. I want to feel happy. I want to feel clear. I want to feel light. I want to feel, have fun. I want to feel joyful doing whatever it is, that you're going to be doing. I want to feel focused and recall things well. Whatever it is you want to feel, then that's what you focus on for the day as you're setting your intention for the day. Okay? So tip 3, I want you to visualize it. Just visualize it and see it. See the images, see the pictures. Notice how you're feeling. And again, the more you can do this, the better it's going to work for you. So anything new that you want to learn, a new habit, if you want to create a new habit, repetition is the key. And if you get into the habit of doing this every day, it's going to make a huge difference to how the day is going to go for you. I can pretty much guarantee you're going to have a lot less stress in your life if you can do that. It's it's a great clearing technique, clearing those emotions of worry and concern and pressure and all the things that we experience every day. And unless you have a way of clearing that, they're going to accumulate. Those things are just going to accumulate day after day after day. And that stress takes its toll on you physically, on you emotionally, on your relationships, on your work. We take it everywhere with us. So try it and see how you go. If you have any questions, please type them in. And if you have any feedback, let me know later. And please share this video with your groups and comment and like on here if you can. If you want to see other live videos that I will have, just go up to your notifications and turn that on. And if there's any way that I can help you, please let me know. That's what I'm here for. I've been able to use this technique to help myself and help hundreds of clients since I've been doing this, to really make some big changes in their lives. And I'd love to help you as well. So let me know what you think, and I hope these setting intentions for a stress-free day it's been helpful for you. So I might just go over it again. So before you go to bed, you're going to do that dumping, focusing on everything that's happened throughout the day. Tap on anything that you're not happy with until it feels better, until it looks better. Do your 5 gratitudes before you go to sleep. When you wake up in the morning, the first 7 seconds, try and set your intention. Do your 5 gratitudes again and focus your intention on how you want to feel for the day. Whatever it is that you're going to have happen throughout the day, focus on how you want to feel, not how you want to get what you want or what you have to do or how you're going to do it. Don't worry about any of that. Just focus on how you want to feel. I want to feel calm, I want to feel relaxed, I want to feel happy, whatever it is, focus on that. And you can also tap that in, okay, whatever it is. I want to feel happy, I want to feel joyful, I want to feel calm, I want to feel relaxed. You can tap that in as well, okay. And then the third tip is visualize that. Visualize your day. See every part of it. Step yourself through it. And focusing on how you want to feel. So thank you so much for joining me on my first live video. Hope they improve and get better. And thank you again for all of those people who have got me to the 600 members on the group. Hope to talk to you again soon and have a beautiful evening. Thank you. Bye.